Hi there, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you through a walkthrough video of this pre-owned 2022 277 LXF Scout we have listed on the brokerage market. Real pretty boat, single owner boat, originally purchased from the dealership a couple years ago. The boat has traveled back and forth between Virginia and Florida. The boat now sits in Stuart, Florida at the MarineMax dealership. Beautiful boat. We just completed the annual engine services on the twin Mercuries. We have a white hull side with the silver boot stripe, cayenne interior, upholstery package, looks super sharp, combined with the synthetic decking here along the transom. Powered by twin Mercury 200 V6 engines, super quiet, very powerful for this boat. We'll take a quick step on board and take you through. Starting here on the starboard side, you see we have a nice boarding area. Leads you into a nice spacious cockpit, great for fishing, great for cruising. Scout's done an awesome job of just combining the two amenities into one. Plenty of rod holders all the way around. Live well here on the transom. Port side dive door, which will swing open. For the days you're out cruising, we have a pull-out bench seat. Nice prep station here. Little cooler up top with a pull-out Yeti underneath. Great helm area. We have a Garmin touchscreen display. JL audio. You have all your Bocatech switching here at the dash. Well appointed, they keep it simple. All protected by a 3-piece glass windshield. You have your Icon VHF radio up top. And then we have a nice helm seat here with flip-down bolsters. The boat does have a complete boat cover. Starts up at the T-top, wraps around the hull sides. That's stored inside the console at the moment. And then we have real comfortable bow seats with backrest. All of these are removable. We do have the insert right there for the bow table, and that's conveniently stored just below. It's a nice teak table. We have a secondary anchor for the stern, but we do have a bow windlass with a bow boarding ladder with your foot pedal controls right there. Again, this is a 2022 Scout 277 LXF here at MarineMax in Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Feel free to give me a call at 561-635-6811. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions or set up a time to see the boat.